Alright, let's see how the doggers react to this baby blanket. What do you think, Buster? What do you think, buddy? What do you think, Poochie? Sniff, sniff, sniff. Hey, no, buddy. Buddy wants to eat the blanket. Buster's sniffing it. Sniff, sniff, wag, wag. Sniffing and wagging. Don't try to eat it, Buster. Poochie. Look, it's a baby blanket. You want to smell a baby blanket? You want to smell it? What about buddy? Alright. Your dog's done smelling the blanket? What about Poochie? Don't you want to smell this blanket, Poochie?